Today I want to tell you about these Ufree professional hair clippers. I just got this with the handle. It's a great way to keep everything, but I have already unpacked it, so you'll see things around here. It came with 8 clipper guards. These guards range from size 1 all the way up to 8. That's great. Even professional clippers that I bought in beauty distributors do not usually come with this many clipper guards. So this is a great amount of clipper guards. It makes it really easy to blend the hairstyle, the fade. Got these in my clippers. I'm a hairstylist. It also came with some other clipper guards. See how they look like a T? These are for the trimmers. And the trimmers are great whether you're trimming around the edges of the ear, the hairline, or if you wanted to trim a beard or a mustache, these guards would make that really easy. So there are 4 of this size that came for the trimmers. But these clippers are great because and my clippers had just went out. So I wanted a new pair. The on and off switch is right here on the side. Turn it on and look at that. It tells you how much charge, 100%, that's how much charge, and the 80 is the RPM. If you wanted to turn that down, sometimes children get scared from the vibration. You can turn it down 1 degree. There is 70 RPM. So you can have it on 70 or up on the 80. These are hair, but I only work part-time, so I have great trimmers. I love that it tells you automatically. I usually only charge them at night when I'm not working, and when I'm at the salon, they're unplugged the whole time, so I can keep an eye on how much charge I have by that telling me there. I love that light up. These are the big clippers. Same thing. Turn them on. It tells you 100% left on the battery and 80 RPM, and it has the lower. So you want to spend a whole lot of money, and these were a great value. Setting, which is the 70 RPM. It also has your adjuster right here. These are great because it adjusts the length of the blade. So it will give you basically a half size. So when your guard says 1, but you want it just a little bit longer, or you're trying to blend between a 1 and a 2, you can adjust that up to the half size for a professional grade clipper size, and it will help you to blend those different levels together. It also came with a little brush for cleaning off the blade and some clipper blade oil. So let me show you it also came with a comb and a hair cutting cape. So when you're doing haircuts at home, last thing you want is to get hair all over the person. They are rechargeable, so you do not have to have them plugged in with their clothes. So it's great to have that little cape. And this is your charger. I was impressed the charger is a USB. So again, great for at home, or even if you were traveling and you wanted to take this to trim up your hair or your husband's hair, you know, to trim up your neckline or your sideburns or your mustache. This would be very portable. This case would make it very handy. And the USB plug is, you know, it's great while you're using them. It plugs right into the bottom. And then the other end, the USB end, can plug into your phone charger or any kind of USB charger. So that's great. And of course it came with instructions. So I highly recommend these clippers. You should check them out. It came with this case, zip up case.